For those of you who have not seen, we just dropped a few emails into your Listings to Leads account. When you first log in, you're going to land on the dashboard. What I want you to do is scroll down, and there's going to be a section called Database Email Blast right here. And we dropped two emails. If there are any lenders around or you know a lender, let them know they got an email for them as well. For these emails, you're going to see when I mouse over it, send this email to your seller leads, homeowners, in Listings to Leads, or your CRM. So it's for your seller leads. And then this one, send this email to your buyer leads, in Listings to Leads, or your CRM. All you have to do is click on the subject line. It's going to open up. It's going to take you right to where you need to be at. So we'll give it a second there. There it is. And now you can edit the email. You can click preview. Here's the preview. And so the one for the sellers, let me see. Yes, the one for the sellers, rates are up. Let me see. Rates are up, but this is where sellers gain an edge. All right. We're not here to rah-rah the market. We're not here to BS anybody. All right. It doesn't make you look good. Doesn't make us look good. Nobody respects that kind of stuff. So we just want to be honest. We want to be truthful what's going on. And people know, hey, the rates have gone up a little bit. All right. Not fun for anybody. But what does that mean? You know, we can't change the market. All we can do is react to it. And so the email, you may have seen the headline today. Reuters just reported that mortgage rates moved to 6.57. Not very fun. This will likely slow the pace of the spring market, but it doesn't mean sellers need to wait or give up leverage. In a shifting market, success comes down to pricing and marketing. Serious buyers are still active. When rates move up, casual buyers step back, but buyers who remain are more focused and ready to act. At the same time, some sellers may choose to wait, which can create a window with fewer competing homes. Pricing matters. The right price attracts attention and creates leverage. Marketing matters even more. My 100 plus point home marketing plan is designed to create maximum exposure so your home stands out as the best option. If you're curious what buyers may pay for your home in today's market, you can get a home value estimate and a copy of my 100 plus point home marketing plan that can help you get even more for your home below. They click the link. They land on your agent website automatically. It's branded to you. You don't need to do anything. It's just there. It's ready. And you're going to see here, there are three things that people can do. They can get your 100 point home marketing plan. And then it's going to shift to this and they get a home value estimate right there at your agent website. If you haven't seen this before, mine is a little bit tricked out, so you won't have this or this, but these are things you can do. Your listings will be there. These three buttons will be there. So home values, new construction, first time home buyer. That will not be there. That's custom to mine. The guides, so they can download a buyer guides and seller guides. So here we got buying new construction. For homeowners, the ultimate guide is selling a home. Do you own a home? Yes. Do you need to sell? Yes. Name and email. And if I continue down, your client reviews, a little bit about you. And then they can, again, if they don't do it at the top, they can download it right here, your 100 point home marketing plan, and so on. We want to get these emails out. This email, again, goes to your seller leads. To send to your seller leads, if you want to send it through your CRM, the easiest way to do it, just click in here, select all. So Command A, Control A, Command C, Control C, and just drop it right into your CRM. Everything should be absolutely perfect. You can also click copy code if you want to do the copy code route. There's an extra step because you got to click the insert HTML or insert source button at your CRM editor. Either way, it's going to work fine. To send it through Listings to Leads, just go ahead and under the Edit tab, click Send To, send to Seller Leads, and either click Schedule if it's too late to send it today, and or click send. You can also send a test email. So sending a test email is a great idea. So you can see exactly how it's going to look and how the links work. Also, when I go back to the preview page, and I like to talk about this because as you're adding expireds to your CRM, expireds are just a subset of a seller lead. This is great follow-up for those expireds that are in your database. We're giving a time-sensitive market update for all of our seller leads, all the homeowners that are in our database. So this is something that's, you're going to want to get this out in the next 24 hours. Here you can see your client review website is also linked to right here. So the client review website you have in Listings to Leads, all your client reviews from Google, Facebook, Zillow, Testimonial Tree, and others. And again, even at your client review website, there's a lot of great interaction that they can do. PDF guides, listings, 100-point marketing plan, social media posts, home value, contact form. So a boatload of amazing stuff right there. Get that email out to your seller leads. And then there's one for your buyer leads. Rates move up, but your options might surprise you. So that's for your buyer leads. We're talking about the fact that, yes, hey, rates went up. You could hide it. You could deny it. Not going to do any good for anybody. So let's just address it head on. Let's just talk about it. This may feel like a setback. I get it, right? We all get it. Maybe a setback, but here's what's behind those headlines. The SALT deduction increased significantly, which can reduce your overall tax burden as a homeowner. Mortgage insurance is deductible again, which can help offset monthly costs. And price reductions and or seller credits are available with some sellers. Not all, but there's going to be some people out there that want to sell, want to be a little bit more aggressive. Maybe they got more equity in the home, so they can take a little bit more off the top to get their home sold. So there are likely going to be some good deals out there for the buyers. So instead of denying it, instead of obfuscating and trying to tap dance around the issue, just address it head on. If you want to send this through Listings to Leads, you can edit the email however you want, just like the seller email. I can click send all my buyer leads, click schedule, click send. I got the test email I can send, which again, I always recommend sending a test email. And then I can go to the preview. And I didn't mention this, but at the bottom right here, it's going to link to your price reduced landing page automatically. Everyone's got this landing page. There's actually 3 price reduced landing pages in your Listings to Leads account. This is one of them, and we link to it automatically. If I want to send this through my CRM, Lofty, Follow Up Boss, Go High Level, whatever, 2 ways. Either just click in there, select all, copy all, drop it into your CRM, save it as a draft, send another test email to yourself, make sure it's good, and then get it out the door. That easy. Alternatively, just like the seller email, click copy code. All right, copy code, drop it into your editor. Again, in your editor, there's going to be a button. I'll show you what it looks like. For those of you that are going to do this route, there's a little button, and you see right there, it's usually the second row down, and it says HTML code. It may say source code. You just click it, drop in the code, and click it again, and it looks beautiful. So either way is going to be totally fine. But get these out. I would send them both out either this evening, or if you feel like it's too late for you to send out this evening, get it out tomorrow. All right.